Your resume has less than 10 seconds to make a first impression. Instead of starting from a blank page, you can build a professional resume in minutes with Geekflare Chat. Here's how. Open Geekflare Chat and start a new conversation. Choose the AI model you want to use. Any model works, so pick the one that best matches your writing style. Start with a simple prompt. For this demo, let me pick it with the details, but you will want to use your own experience, skills, and achievements. For example, create an ATS-friendly resume for a customer success manager with a 5 years experience in SaaS, highlighting customer retention, onboarding, and account management. You can also include details like work experience, skills, education, certifications, key achievements, preferred job role. The more relevant details you provide, the better your resume will be. Once the draft is ready, ask Geekflare Chat to improve it. You can use the prompts like make it more ATS friendly, rewrite the professional summary, quantify my achievements, improve the action verbs, keep it within one page. You can refine every section until you are happy with the result. And if you want a visually appealing resume, simply ask Geekflare Chat to create a professional resume layout as an image. For example, let me write that convert this resume into a modern one-page resume design with a clean layout and professional typography. Generate it as an image. This is a great way to quickly visualize your resume before making the final edits. That's it. With Geekflare Chat, you can create, refine, review, and even turn your resume into a professional-looking design in just a few minutes. Give it a try and build a resume that's ready for your next job application.